Just a quick look at the DAX 550 Plus. This is a 2026 machine. We've got more power, more grip, and a different style handset. So firstly, we're running the Loncin 224cc engine. That has also got an electric start, also complemented with a pull start. We've got wider tracks, and we have got this more professional looking handset. The machines, as ever, still have the heavy duty track tensioning, and that is also complemented with our industry leading brushless drive motors, which go into a reduction gearbox. So these are incredibly durable drive motors. So yeah, this got a 550mm cut, and on these the DAX are adjustable. So you see the DAX is going all the way down and all the way up. The machines come with a 1-year maintenance warranty, and we're fully committed to supporting these machines. Each year we've had a range of upgrades that's taken place, and this is our most powerful 550 to date. Again, with electric start, heavy duty track tensioning, brushless drive motors, and a DAX industry warranty.